If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB video update today. So I do see some similarities with SHIB and Jasmy at the same time, because Jasmy made the same thing. So if I show you Jasmy on a 15 minutes time frame, this is what we have, something like this: boom 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 boom. Try to go up like that. Okay, so that is known as a V-shaped pattern, and I've already googled this one out, so you can see that we do have a V-shape like this one. And I can show you some various different examples. For example, the very first image does show when you go up down like this, you make a V bottom pattern, and then you have neckline that you break out of, and then you break out and you continue to the upside. So if you have a neckline like that, this is going to be a resistance point, in my opinion, where you're trying to break out of SHIB at the moment. So I'm just going to try to make as much touches as we can right over here. So that does look like the neckline. And if you do end up breaking out of the neckline, we need a clear breakout. So we break out like this, and then you're going to see SHIB actually moving from the top here to the bottom right there, and that's going to be a nice move of nearly 13-14, and you're going to see a pump to the upside of nearly 5.16%. That's like a more scalping opportunity at the moment. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.